Hello and welcome to this Haas Tip of the Day. My name is Mark, and right now we're going to look at a shortcut that's built into the Haas control to save you time during setups. We're talking about our next tool function. Now, if you're setting a tool offset manually using the tool offset measure key, you can either do all of this or just do this. Now we just set tool 1 using the tool offset measure key. Now if we don't use the next tool shortcut key, you might find yourself
pressing a jog increment, then jogging that tool 1 up and out of the way, then going to MDI, entering key 2, then pressing ATC forward, then pressing the hand jog key, then selecting another jog increment,
before jogging tool 2 down above the part to touch it off. Well, all of those button presses, all those functions can be completed with a single push of the next tool key. The next tool function is safe and easy to use. It'll only work just after you've touched off a tool using the tool offset measure key. When that's done, you can press next tool and it's going to bring the tool up and off the part, command a tool change to the next tool in line, and automatically put the machine in hand jog mode for you, so you can jog that tool down as well to touch it off. Now our lathes have a next tool function as well. If you press the next tool key while in hand jog mode on a lathe, it's going to immediately index the turret to the next tool and highlight that tool offset on the tool offset page. Now remember, pressing next tool on a lathe is not going to move the turret to any kind of safe tool position. It's just going to index the turret right where it's at. Be sure to click on the link at the end of this video to subscribe. Well, that's it, and thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.